Okay guys, cool gamers, and welcome back to some more Roblox, where today we're playing some more Flood Escape 2, and this one looks pretty easy. What is this one, level easy? Hopefully it's level easy. Come on, open. Wait, there's another one. Someone get that. What are you doing? Stop choking. Okay, there. Now you get that one. And then we can go, finally. Okay. Wait, what? Oh. We got it? Okay. Yeah, this one's pretty easy. So let's go ahead and get this one. Wow, lots of people fell. Okay, I got that. And that is game. There you go. So we won the first one. That's a good start. Hopefully there are no insane ones, because every time they do an insane one, whenever I start recording, there's at least one insane one. So what's this, normal? Come on, we should be able to do normal. I have faith. Huh. I barely made that. Let's go. Wait, what? Oh, go up here. Now where? Bruh, no one went and got it. Why'd no one go and get it? There. I had to save all of us, because we would have died if it wasn't for me. Jeez. People are lazy. Make sure you didn't miss one. Okay, got that? Okay, got it. Okay, got it. Oh my goodness, these rocks are annoying. Okay, now let's go. This one shouldn't be that bad, right? Come on. Oh my goodness, we have to go down here. Oh, I think there's always the part where I die. Oh wait, I thought this was a different map where you had it was like way harder, but anyways, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Roblox and Minecraft videos. So, and subscribe to Caleb's channel. It's called COgaming 11. Subscribe to this channel. He does the same content as me, or about the same at least. So, that was a good round. Now, let's see what we can do next round. Come on, hopefully they're good ones. Please. Another normal, okay. I guess I can take that. Okay, you get that? He's got it, okay. Wait, he's got that one. There's another normal one. So, that guy's got it. How do we, wait, what? Oh, you go under there. I'm like, how? What? Let's go over here. This music's loud. Okay. Let's go over here. Oh my goodness, I can't get it. Okay, there. Got it. Now, come on, let's go. Come on. We could make it. We can make it. Come on, this way. Okay. Oh no, it's red now. It's auto kill. If you touch it, you're dead. Okay, let's go. We got it. Hey. Hopefully we can level up. Wait, are we leveled up? Like, what level are we? I don't know what level we are. But, please don't say this is a hard one. No. No. What? This one shouldn't be that hard. Let's get this. Now where? Oh, we gotta go up there? Oh. What? Oh, we gotta go over there now. No, wait, what? Okay. Now let's go. Come on, do we survive? Yes. Wow. Oh wait, this guy's celebrating. Can we buy anything? We have 48. No, I'm not unlocking insane. I do not feel like doing that. Maybe another time. Maybe when I get better at this game. Oh. What? Ah, let's go. Dang it. Dang it, I'm bad at this. Don't die. Ah, dang it. Can I really want to buy something. Ooh, some auras. Tanks. Oh, this one cost 100. Emotes. Could get emotes. What emotes will we get? So there's whatever that is. Is that like looking? What's this? Searching ahead, bullet time, air swim, head spin, stretching, relax, meditate, dab. Oh my goodness, dab. Backflip, and play dead. Wow. So I can afford these. So, but I might get dab. Meditate is cool. So this one's 100. Okay, I want to see if I can get meditate. Ooh, skins. Ooh, you can get skins. Wow. Oh, just make you. I wanna make it so I look like a rich person. Like, look at this guy. Jeez, I wanna get in some skins. Wow. Okay. But guys, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more new Minecraft and Roblox videos. Oh, you see that guy was dabbing. That guy in there, he was dabbing. Do it again, dab. There's a gun facing right up your head. Wow. Okay. Oh, this one's on easy. Oh, I don't think we can do this. This one's on easy. Oh wait, no, this one definitely is easy. I thought it was gonna be a harder one than this. Let's go. Okay. And comment down below how good you are at this game and what level you're on. I'm on level 5, I think. Probably about to be level 6. Now where? Oh. Okay. I'm in first right now. I wish you get placed for like being first or last or something. I mean, I'd take last definitely. But I would at least try to get first. See, look, there you go, I got first. There you go. What's the point of getting emotes if you can just do this? Look, you can just do this. There's no point of getting emotes. So, should I end it there? I might just end it there. So, I hope you enjoyed. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you have enjoyed. And remember to subscribe to Caleb's channel. It's called COgaming 11. Subscribe to this channel. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. And goodbye.